Want to find fantasy football sleepers for 2026 season? Then here's a quick method you can use on your device. First thing first, open Safari. And then, in the address bar, you need to search for 2026 fantasy football sleeper rankings. Now you need to scroll down and head over to this site over here. Once you're inside the official site, scroll all the way down. Look for players being drafted in the later rounds, but who have a realistic chance to outperform their draft position. Next, you have to check the player's opportunity. Look for things like a bigger role, fewer players competing for targets, changes on the depth chart, or a new offensive system. Then you have to click their average draft position or ADP. The goal is to find players who have upside but aren't being drafted too early. You should also check the latest training camp and preseason news, because injuries and depth chart changes can quickly create new sleepers. Finally, compare rankings from multiple fantasy sites before making your pick. The key is simple: look for opportunity, upside, and a low draft cost, and that's how you can find potential fantasy football sleepers for 2026. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.